Ready?
Yep.
So those don't have breading.
Nope. Actually, I am going to. Make this on something that's so good. Grease.
And this one's breaded. You just let them cool and then eat them, right?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool.
Starting to bubble. Oh, I put Diana right in the smoke. Got to get the poking stick. Let's come over here and look at the ones that are breaded and ready to go. And
This
then
one's
the
breaded
ones-
and these are not.
Yep.
Although a little breading came off. And you said they taste like chicken when you...
I think they taste a lot like a morel mushroom
Oh, okay.
when you eat them. They're good. They're good.
Try one of the unbreaded ones. Yeah, it's just a good tasting mushroom. I don't.
Yeah, just good. I
Yeah.
like them. You call them fall. People call them fall mushrooms. Hand of the wood.
Yeah, it's like a lighter. It's not a real heavy flavor.
Mm-mm.
What do you think? Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go pick some.
All right, so we'll be picking some. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching the short.